feel like I was bored a lot of my life and I didn't have any real hobbies besides just playing video games. But as soon as I started to go outside more, do more things in my life, I realized some cool hobbies that transformed my life. Went from this guy who only likes video games and didn't want to do anything else in his life, relapsed all the time, ate junk food, terrible sleep, terrible health, to being this guy who does all these things, which I'm about to tell you, makes money online, has fun every single day, and I feel like I'm living every single day to the best of my ability. I'm so happy in my day-to-day life, and I wake up with a smile on my face and go to bed knowing that it was a great day. How awesome would that be? My name is Timothy, and I just love sharing things that I've learned in my life and giving it to you. So hopefully you can think about something that I say and apply it in your own life and hopefully see some progress with that. Alright, this is a hobby that I've been doing recently for like about a month. It gives me so much strength and discovery in my life, and I feel like I'm exploring so many things. As I do it, literal tears go out my eyes from how fast I'm going. I feel like I'm playing video games in real life because of how fun it is. And that thing I do is biking. Biking around where I live and looking at the cool spots, going to stores and buying things. It really levels up your freedom and allows you to go out around your town and where you live and actually explore what's possible. I've found so many spots on Google Maps where like, oh, this could be a cool spot, this could be a cool spot, that I feel like I'm gonna be pretty entertained, I guess, from all the biking I'm about to do. Because there's so many spots I want to visit, but school, other hobbies that I want to do. But I also do something that gives me so much fun in my life as well. I'm challenging myself, I'm working with other people, I'm competitive in it. It's honestly great. And the hobby I'm talking about is playing sports. This is such a good thing to do if you want to talk to more people, if you want to have a group of people who don't just play video games all the time and actually are quite athletic. When I first got into high school, joining the sports teams is honestly what made me more social, more confident in my life. If I didn't join the sports team, bro, I have no idea where I would be right now. I would have way less confidence. I wouldn't try to talk to more people, talk to girls. Not even that. I just wouldn't be as athletic. I wouldn't be as active. I wouldn't be as energized to move around, wake up at 5:30 and do a bunch of crazy things. And for me, lacrosse season just started, so it gives me so much occupation with hobbies because you come home at 5. Your legs are so sore and tired from all the running. Bro, I've ran around, the amount of times I ran around the school, went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, bodied people, bro. It's crazy. I really feel like if you start just doing these two hobbies more, you'll instantly feel better about your life. I really feel like that. And it's definitely way better than just gaming all day. It can really create a lot of opportunities in your life. But instead of just creating opportunities, you can also create cool things. Create art, create your ideal room, your ideal decorations. It's so fun cleaning and optimizing your room to the way you want it to be. Even if it's just painting a little painting or drawing something on a paper. That creative juices that are inside of you where you want to express the way you feel, I guess. Creating things does give you the opportunity to do that, and it doesn't not help, especially because I'm talking to you right now. I'm also creating right now. I want to say a bonus hobby just so you can have more hobbies to think about, which made me talk to more people, talk to more girls, put myself out there more, be more confident. And that hobby is literally talking to people. It's so fun talking to the boys or being so socially active where as soon as you wake up and go on the bus, you're instantly talking to people. You're talking to people in your first class, second class, then you're able to talk to girls. And it's so easy to forget, I feel like, how cool it is to talk to people. And it's like how we're supposed to live. It's how humans are supposed to interact with each other. And if you want a way to connect with people who are similar to you right now, join that like-minded club in the description. Hundreds of people are in there. I'm in there too. You can talk to anyone in there and instantly feel better. It's such a great way to practice your social skills and just practice having a fun life, having some cool hobby where you can just hop in there sometimes, talk, ask a question, and so many people will give you advice. So many people will support you, say hi back, and it's such a cool place to be, honestly. So join that like-minded club in the description right now. And I'm able to do these hobbies now because I try new things, which is also a bonus hobby. Trying new things in your life. That's honestly how I feel like I have more meaning and purpose in my day to day life. Trying, experimenting with all types of things. If I never was open to change or trying new things, I would have never been here right now. I would have been living the same life over and over and over again. And how are you going to get any better by doing that? All these hobbies can replace the video games, replace the junk food, replace the relapsing, and you'll have a much better life. Because as soon as I started doing these habits, bro, I don't do any of the bad habits. I don't relapse. I don't play video games. I don't eat junk food. I don't watch so much YouTube. And if you want me to personally help you quit all these bad habits and hold you accountable every single day, check that Calendly link in the description right now. Find the time that fits you so we can talk more about it. And I hope to see you there as well as in the like-minded club. And hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm about to go to school, talk to some more people, play some more sports, have a great day, and go to sleep with a smile on my face. So I'll see you later, bro. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.